In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add link to YouTube video description. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app, and after you are logged in, tap right here at library and then your videos. That will show you the list of all your videos on this channel, and then just search for a video for which you want to edit the description, then tap at three dots, edit, and then description. After that, you can add here some text or some URLs. To add there a URL, you can just paste it in that way. Once you've done with that, tap right here and then tap at save. That's how you can easily add a link to YouTube video description, and now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.